Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print sale invoice report in PDF and Excel format based on date and status. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Devintelle invoice summary. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, users, and see here these options print sale invoice summary report. First allow this. Let's save. Now go to sales app. Go to orders and see here this menu sale invoice summary. Click on add from date like a 1st January and to date is 31st. Select customer like Gemini Furniture and status posted. First I want to print in PDF format, so click on this PDF button. So you can easily see here printed report in PDF format. Now I want to print in Excel format, so click on this Excel button. Let's download. And easily see here in Excel format. Thank you.